Hey guys, so for today I did something like a little different, and come on, not today, we don't want any lipstick on the teeth. I did how to sleek a bun with natural hair. Something I don't do, you know, I usually wear a weave and I do not really like putting heat in my hair like after I take my sew-ins out or whatever. So I like to kind of do a protective style until I actually get my hair back in braids or whatever I decide to do. So I just came up with this sleek ponytail. You know, my hair kind of got some wave, you know, whatever going on in it. And I just really like this for summer. Yeah, this is like what it's looking like. And then you got kind of like a panorama. I don't want to like break my fucking neck trying to show you guys, but this is what I filmed for today. So if you want to see how I got this hair tame, then please keep watching. I'm gonna start off with the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning. Now my hair is like two different textures. In the front I feel like it's more like finer, and then in the back is like super thick. Do you guys see that? So I'm just going to get this brush comb right here. Actually, I'm gonna get some of that leave-in conditioner because you do want to really like moisturize your hair. I'm just gonna put all that in my hair. Now my hair is already washed. I just washed it, so it's not like drenching wet, but it's wet, you know what I mean? You want to make sure your hair is really saturated with this stuff. Next, I'm just gonna be taking this wide tooth comb. I'm gonna like section my hair off in the back. It doesn't have to be like super perfect, you know? But section it off in the back. My hair is super fucking thick, so about that. And so I don't get any other hair in the way, I'm just gonna take this hair tie and I'm gonna tie this up in the back. I look real crazy right now, but this is the real deal. Be taking the, I don't know if you guys can see this, the Shea Moisture Curling Gel Souffle, as well as this Eco Styling Gel with black flaxseed castor oil, black castor and flaxseed oil. Taking some of the Shea Moisture, running that through my hair. Then I'm taking the gel. You want a generous amount of this. It's gonna work that through the hair. I'm gonna comb through it. Like so. More gel. Taking my bristle brush, I'm just going to brush through that. Then I'm taking another one of these hair ties. I'm separating that hair. I'm gonna just put my hair in like a small, low ponytail. Like so. See how that looks? I'm gonna do the same back here. So I'm taking that same technique that I used when I was doing in the beginning of the video. I'm just sectioning off a small portion of the sides of my hair because this side is short. My hair was actually cut into a bob earlier this year. I'm going to rake some of that Shea Moisture curling gel souffle in my hair along with Eco Styling Gel, and I'm going to use a wide tooth comb and just comb right through that, and then I'm going to use my bristle brush, and then I'm just going to take that and guide that into the ponytail like so. Alright, y'all, we are almost finally done. I feel like this took forever to do. Um, but yeah, same technique, raking the hair, putting the products on, and then brushing through, and then putting them back inside the ponytail like so. So we're just going to continue doing this technique until I am finished. So I'm taking, this is a go-to brush. Instead of using a toothbrush, you can get these at like Walgreens, Walmart. This is an edge brush, and I'm just going to slick my edges down. We'll try to slick them down. I feel like if the bun doesn't really look all that good, if your edges is popping, then you're winning. I feel like I have hella product in my fucking hair. Colorful scarf. I'm just going to tie it on my head for like a few minutes to make sure everything is slick, you know. So after I took the scarf off, I forgot to actually film a outro video for you guys, but as soon as I took this off, my hair was sleek and laid down. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.